Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Pantheon.io to create a WordPress website. In fact, you can use Pantheon.io to create a WordPress website for completely free. All you'll need to do once on Pantheon.io, you're going to tap on Get Started in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. You can choose to sign up with Google, or you can enter an email address and tap on sign up, and then from there you can create a password. After you have created your password, you'll be redirected to your Pantheon dashboard. Once on your Pantheon dashboard, you're going to tap on create new site. After you have selected create new site, you are going to select WordPress. And by the way, you could also select different platforms, but we're going to be creating a WordPress website for this example. So we will select WordPress. After selecting WordPress from here, you can give your website a name. So let's say, for example, I were to call my website Jason Tutorials 657. And you can see your Pantheon domain name that you'll be given. And you'll be given a free domain name. And you can choose a region for your site. So you can select whichever one of these regions would be closer to you. So you can select it right there. Then you'll tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll just give it a few seconds. Then you're going to be redirected to your Pantheon dashboard. Once on your Pantheon dashboard, you're going to wait a few seconds while it loads up. Once it loads up, I'll be showing you what to do next. Once here, you're going to tap on visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Tap on site admin in the top left hand corner. After you have selected site admin, you're going to tap on continue. After selecting the language, then you can put in your site title. So let's say, for example, I'll just call it test site 123. Then you're going to create a username. So you can create your username right here. After creating your username, you'll add a password. Then you can add your email address and you're going to tap on install WordPress. After doing that, you're going to tap on login. Then you're going to input your email address that you just created and the password that you had created. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to your WordPress website. And you can see your WordPress admin page right here. You could go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you can tap on appearance and you can select the theme that you'd like to use. So you can install themes. You can also tap on plugins from the left-hand menu option. And from there, you can start adding new plugins. So you could tap on add new plugin and you can add any plugin that you want, just like that. And that's how you'll be able to create your website using Pantheon for completely free. If I were to tap on visit site in the top left hand corner, you can see how our website looks at the moment. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.